How was your Valentine? My Valentine's was very, very fun. Um, Went out to eat.
Welcome to my channel. It's your boy, Humble One Media, and my people. Today we got none other than DDG. You know, the great YouTuber DDG, one of the best YouTubers, and has made a successful transition into the music, is now a successful rapper. And you know, he did something that he hardly do. Today he actually hopped onto his IG live, which I don't normally see he do, you know. But yeah, he did that, and he was basically chopping up with his people, and he was doing some Q&A, you know, and also was letting the people know how he spent his Valentine's Day with his queen, the one and only, the beautiful Halle Bailey. Yeah, you know, by people. So yeah, it was a very interesting live. He discussed lots of things as well. You know, was speaking about his career, was speaking about Baby Woo Wop, that's his little nephew, very popular little kid, very smart. Yeah, we're speaking about a lot of things. Very interesting, my people. You got to watch this video, my people, and I'm going to let you watch it, you know. So, guys, I want you to just, you know, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, you know, leave a comment, leave your thoughts under the video, and I got more interesting content for you, my people, you know. Here we go.
Hey, leave all that negativity over there, man. I'm trying to be positive. Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go live with some people. I know I don't never get on Instagram live, so I'm gonna start hopping over here, man. Coming to kick it, chilling. I usually be on Twitch, but I'm gonna start fucking with Instagram. I do got a question though, like when I said like I asked a question the other day and I was like 100K or dinner with DDG. And a lot of people were saying they'd take 100K. I just feel like a dinner with me and what I can teach a nigga is way more valuable than 100K. Or am I tripping? Yeah, niggas should take the dinner, for sure. That's what's wrong with society these days, man. 100K is cool and shit, but it's like I could teach you how to make $1 million. I could teach you how to make 10 million. Easy. Let me ask you some questions. I know y'all got questions. Y'all go ahead, ask some questions below, man. How your foot? I can walk now. I'm a little wobbly, but I can walk. My shit cool. Is you paying for the dinner? Yeah, I pay for the dinner. I was finna say something petty, man. I'm gonna get on here. I'm gonna be positive. I promise. And the crazy thing is, bro, I don't even run my Instagram. That's the crazy part. Or my Twitter. I don't even run my Instagram or my Twitter, bro. On everything. That's management. It's crazy. I ain't even gonna be negative, man. I'm gonna be positive. How was your Valentine? My Valentine's was very, very fun. Went out to eat. Did regular stuff, just the small things. I feel like Valentine's Day, everybody do the same thing. Like everybody go and they go buy a bunch of flowers and balloons, and they fill up the room with like a bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then they just regular shit. Like everybody does the same thing. So did something different this year, you know, really just connected on a whole different level, you know, kicked it in the middle of nowhere. Posted it on my story. It was like in nature and shit. Then we went out to eat, had a good time, some jazz restaurant. They play jazz, live jazz in front of you. And then eat, wine. By the way, like, I don't know if a lot of niggas just drink liquor, but a lot of niggas ain't really tapped in with wine yet. I feel like wine is an underrated drink, because I was turned last night. I gotta start fucking with wine. But my Valentine's Day was amazing, man. I had a great time. Wonderful time. Let me see. How you feeling? I feel amazing, man. Y'all gotta realize, bro, like, the internet is fake. That's what a lot of niggas don't understand. That's why I troll so much, because the internet is fake, bro. Like, I guarantee you, anything that happened over this past week with me and anything that's transpired at any moment, not one person that said anything negative about me will ever say it to my face. Ever. They see me dapping me up, want to take a picture or some shit. Like, this shit is fake, bro. Like, that's why y'all can't take this shit too serious, man. Like, it's cool, get on here and troll. Like, I be trolling too. The shit fun and shit. Especially if you get a response. But the internet is fake, bro. I've been on the internet. I've been doing this shit for 7 years. Doing great for myself. But I found out how to monetize the shit. There's no point in trolling for free. So I troll for money. So I just found out how to monetize it or whatever. So I don't really be tripping. Like, in real life, it be completely different than what y'all see. As you can see. Y'all gotta mind y'all business, man. Are you a cheater? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Don't believe everything you see, man. Do you think this rap career will last forever? I feel like I ain't really scratched the surface yet, you know? I'm kind of dipping and dabbing in both careers right now. So it's like, I ain't even really started my brain yet. I ain't started turning up. I ain't had that one yet where it's like, okay, now I know how to navigate and get to that next level. So when I get started, yes, it will last forever. For sure. 100%. When is your next boxing match? I don't know, man. What y'all think? Y'all think I should get back in the ring? Y'all think I should get back in the ring? I've been thinking about it, but it's like, damn, I'm in such a... That'll make people even more mad if I box and I knock another nigga out. Then it's like, damn, this nigga can't lose. I hate this nigga, but I love this nigga at the same time, man. So it's like, I don't know if I want to keep winning publicly. Maybe I should win in private and shit. Let's see. With that Richard hitting for, man, it's nothing. It's nothing, man, you know. I collect watches, though, y'all. Like, I buy watches just to collect them. Like, I barely wear this shit. I put this on just to, you know what I'm saying, put it on and shit. I like putting it on in the crib, but I collect watches like niggas collect real estate. It's like a hobby of mine. But y'all can look it up. It's called the RM 1103. Y'all go ahead and look that bitch up, man. I got this from Clout Chasing. That's how when you clout chase, you get watches like this. 280 bands, 300. I bought it for $280. It kind of went down in price a little bit, but it's doing pretty good. Do you fuck with St. Louis? Yeah, I fuck with St. Louis, man. Shout out St. Louis. I fuck with the Midwest in general. Midwest. That's where I'm from. I'm from Michigan, if y'all didn't know. Let's see. Y'all gotta ask some better questions, man. Y'all asking shit I'm obviously not gonna answer. How's life? Life is amazing. Life is good. Some people need to hear this. Like, I feel like my main purpose on this earth is to motivate. My main purpose is to inspire, man, and really just showcase life and living. That's why I vlog my lifestyle, and you can see me come from nothing to something, because it's like, you can really make your life whatever you want to make it. There's somebody watching this right now, and you probably sitting in the room, chilling in your bed on your phone, watching this live right now, and you feel like you ain't doing enough. You feel like you ain't popping enough, or you ain't making enough money. But it's like, bro, if you really get rid of that negativity in your head and think like, nigga, I can do whatever the fuck I want to do, you can actually do it. And that's what I want to push that narrative onto people, especially when I like vlog or post anything. It's like, nigga, you can literally do whatever you put your mind to. For sure. But my life is amazing, man. I'm chilling. I'm just getting cyberbullied. I've been getting cyberbullied for a week straight. So, you know, I gotta, my heart hurt a little bit. But it's like, damn, I'm gonna get through it. I've been through worse. I almost crashed out and shit because I seen the hate comment. I'm like, damn, bro, I'm finna quit this shit. Move back to Pontiac. You getting them red boots? Yeah, them red boots is, that's real fashion. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm like a fashion icon. I really enjoy putting that shit on. I kind of been a little quiet. I've been chilling a little bit, but the red boots, I think I am going to get them. I ain't going to pay for them, though, because I can notice niggas is getting them bitches for free. So I got to figure out how I can get them for free. I'm going to go live with some people, too, yeah. I want to start going on Instagram live. I usually just be on Twitch. But I'm going to start getting on here. Let me see. Why you asking another man that? What's your size? Do y'all be asking niggas? Is it cool for a nigga to ask another nigga what size shoe you wear? Ain't that a little? Don't worry about it, man. I wear a 10 and a half, 11. Let me see. Is that a new Richie, a different band? It's a different band, man. I don't get why niggas be buying a bunch of different Richard Mille, bro. These are not cheap. I don't give a fuck how much money you got. Nigga, I got about 30 bands, bro. I'm gonna make this bitch look a different color every outfit. I'd rather buy the bands. I got the tool to unscrew this motherfucker, put it back in, and make it look like a different watch. Let's see. What's your biggest goal in life? My biggest goal in life is to inspire. I feel like God put me on this earth to really motivate the youth, especially the misfortunate people that grow up in you know, not so wealthy conditions, to really strive above that and live above that hood mindset of, oh, I'ma die here, nigga. You ain't supposed to die where the fuck you grew up at. You're supposed to live and prosper and get to that next moment in life and enjoy it from a different perspective, if that makes sense. Am I being too positive? This is not like me, huh? You be a little more negative, man. That's what get the views and shit. That's how you clout chase. Let's see. No. Aren't you wop uncle? Yes, sir, man. That's crazy that people look at me as now as like woo wop uncle. That's just to show you how lit the whole ecosystem of my family is. Like my 7-year-old nephew is damn near more popular than me. It's a beautiful thing, man. Everybody in the world know woo wop. I think more people know woo wop than me. It's incredible. It's lovely. You're asking some weak questions, man. I'm not answering none of them toxic questions. I don't know why y'all keep answering it. I don't want to be on the shade room no more, nigga. I've been on there enough. I'm cool. Stop asking me them questions. $100K or dinner with MLK. I take the $100K for sure. For sure. Shout out MLK, man. Changed the world. But I'm taking that $100K. How much money you made this past year? I'm broke, y'all. I don't know what y'all think, bro, but I am poor. I'm dirt poor, y'all. I don't know what the fuck y'all niggas talking about, man. I am broke. I'm just trying to get a little bit of drip of clout, man. I'm broke. I'm down bad. Let me see. I want to go live with some people, but who should I go live with? I ain't been on here in a minute. I don't know how y'all feel about me. What happened with old girl, cuz I've been hearing different shit. What happened with your relationship? That's what we got to figure out. We got to figure out when are we going to start, like, worrying about our own relationships, man, and our own lives. I feel like social media really took out the whole concept of giving a fuck about ourselves. I feel like you shouldn't spend so much time on social media unless your life is in order. Social media consumes too much time. You got to realize we got 24 hours within a day. So if you spend you sleep 8 of the hours, right? I'm about to fuck your mind up. You sleep 8 of the hours, right? You're going to sleep 8 of those hours, maybe 7. Now you only got, what's 24 minus 8? Now you only got 16 hours, right? So now you got 16 hours in a day. Then you wake up, you're going to spend about 3 hours in bed on TikTok, Instagram, doing a little bit of trolling on Twitter, whatever the fuck you do with your time. You're going to spend about 3 hours of that. Now you got 13 hours, right? Now you got 13 hours. If you got a job, now you finna spend another 8 hours doing that job. So now you got 5 hours to yourself, and now you got to go to sleep. That's how niggas stay stuck. Social media is got niggas stuck in a predicament that they don't even want to be in no more. Because y'all too worried about other niggas' lives when you got to get your own shit right. Unless you monetizing social media like a nigga like me. In this whole situation, out of all the trolling, I'm the only nigga that made money. Niggas been trolling me for free. just saying, bro. Like, you say what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm trying to open your brains to like different shit. Niggas don't think like me, bro. Like, it's just crazy, bro. I'm starting to hate social media just because it's really a negative impact, especially shit like TikTok, bro. Like, I spend a lot of time on TikTok just scrolling and scrolling. And then I look up and it's like, damn, I forgot to work today. If I feel like that, I know other niggas feel like that. The social media consuming too much of y'all brain. Then when y'all get off the phone, y'all want to be sad and shit. Then when you get sad, you open your phone back up and get back on the motherfucker that made you lose time in the first place. What sense do that make? Zero. Come on, man. Makes zero sense. Trying to open y'all brain, bro. After I get off this live, man, y'all go take y'all ass to work, man. Go motherfucking build a business or something. This is not me flexing or nothing. This is me trying to motivate y'all, man. After I get off this live, you need to close this goddamn phone. Don't go scroll to the next live and go see, oh, what he talking about? No, nigga, what you talking about? Do what the fuck you need to do. What the fuck is you watching a nigga that's already rich? Matter of fact, leave my live. Fuck it. Leave my shit. Y'all can dip. You looking at a nigga that's already lit. I'm already rich, bro. I'm already turned, right? I'm winning. I'm never gonna lose. Why you ain't got your ducks in a row? Makes zero sense. No sense, bro. I don't understand this shit, bro. It just doesn't make sense to me. Like, everybody on this bitch at minimum should have a fucking YouTube channel or something to be making some type of money, bro. Like, that's why I don't get mad at blogs and shit. Because at least y'all niggas making money. It's niggas on y'all shit trolling for the freeski, nigga. Not a penny. And everything that happened this past week with me will be forgotten next week. 100%. 1,000%. It's so crazy on social media. A nigga will die on camera now. Niggas get boomed on camera. And we forget about it the next day. The next day, bro, we forget about it. We so fucked up right now. Social media is killing our brains, bro. It's no way I can get on Twitter and see niggas dying. Like, niggas used to have to go on rotten.com to see that shit back in the day. Now, you go on Twitter and it's right there. It's crazy, bro. Like, you know, niggas don't think like me, though. You know? Niggas don't think like me, man. It's just, social media is consuming, bro. If y'all gonna be on this shit, that's all I'm saying. I usually charge for this advice. If y'all gonna be on social media as much as y'all do, at minimum, get paid for it. Figure out a way to get paid for it. Please. Cause I can't stand free shit, bro. Like, that free trolling, bro. Like, come on. Let's make some money together. Y'all questions a little weak, though, man. Oh, I'm about to fuck y'all up with this one. Watch this. Somebody said, how was Ghana? I'm not in Ghana. That's what's wrong with the internet. Y'all believe any goddamn thing. I am not in Africa. I am at home. I can tell y'all niggas right now, bro, I'm in Japan. Y'all gonna believe it. Y'all believe anything y'all see on the internet, bro. Come on, man. Nigga, I do not itch. Giving out too much sauce. I'm giving out too much sauce, man. I'm gonna let y'all be stuck. Fuck it. I don't even give a damn. He's thinking I'm in Ghana. The hell? Hey, can you hear me? This live is not about what people think. Why you keep doing this? That nigga said. I'm making sure I hold this bitch. I hold my phone in the right hand so I can show my left hand and shit. I ain't never seen that white man before.
That's what I'm saying. This live ain't about nigga. This bitch talk about Ghana, nigga. That nigga did like that nigga did like this for 10 minutes, bro. That nigga said, "What y'all don't know about Valentine's Day? I'm at a jazz club." And he said, that nigga, we get it.
Where Woo up at?
See that bitch. That nigga's still in Vegas. I had the hell out of there, nigga. I lost it all last night trying to show out.
How much you lose? Oh, that's it?
Like 2,700.
I spent that shit on dinner yesterday and shit. I feel you though.
That's ironic. You got that Richard Mille after.
I know that bitch was 3 hours long, and I put an ad every 2 minutes. How many ads is that? I put 30 ads every hour, right? So times that by 3. 30 ads every hour times 3. I put 100. And then it's 3 hours and 30 minutes. So I put an extra 15 ads on top of that. So I put 135 ads in that bitch.
I'm saying, so what? Why you say you was in Ghana though? Like
I
just to prove
it just looked like Ghana and shit, but niggas really thought, like I had niggas calling my phone like, nigga, you in Ghana? I was just that's what I'm saying, bro. That's what's wrong with the internet. I'm trying to preach to these niggas and shit, bro. Like niggas, the internet, nigga, I can make y'all believe whatever I want.
But I'm saying, why are you trying to change niggas' perspective on the internet if the internet is supposed to have a perspective? I'm saying, nigga, like, nigga, this is how you get your point across now. Back in the day, nigga, you had to be on the news, nigga.
Hey, bro, you want me to line you up? Are you good?
I got some shit going on that niggas don't know about in the merch and shit. This shit gonna be on. I'm really turning into a bad bitch. That's what niggas don't understand. I'm slowly turning into a bad bitch. When do you think you turned into a bad bitch?
I ain't gonna lie. Probably when I got my beard and shit. Before that, I was a little mid. Yeah. When they start getting longer, I think when the blonde went away and that shit turned brown, that's when the shit really got, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cause the little fro nigga shit, you was kind of weak, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you was weak, bro. I can't see no comments. All I see is they follow me. Hey, shit different when you verified. Right. Shit. I ain't know.
I just realized that you is verified.
Like when you get verified, see every comment about you. It's a different Instagram when verified. Like I see Baby Rich commenting, and it's like, bro, you lost.
It's a lot of comments in here from niggas that's not verified that I really can't even see for real.
Yeah, like if you not verified, it's like you got the basic Twitter. It's like we playing 11. It's like I don't know. This hella different exclusive shit,
modes and shit. I can change my Instagram to different shit.
I'm saying we change our logos on our shit. I'm like, damn, I ain't even know. I got about 3 inboxes. You know my inbox? Nah, I can't even talk like that. Anyway, can't talk like that. Hey, that look like Beatles. Man, I'm getting so many followers. Maybe we should stay on here. I was at 179.
13K when you got on. It's at 9 now. You gotta do something. You gotta do some freaky shit or something. Get these numbers back up.
Your face.
Hell yeah, man. Bring Woo up in that bitch. We need that nigga.
Hold on, let me show niggas what I'm doing, bro. Like niggas do not got jogging.
Hey, they cancel, bro. You gotta chill.
Like, hey, bro, I don't know none of them